Welcome to TechnoPoint. Today we will review the Rabbit R, one artificial intelligence product on our YouTube channel. Experience the future with Rabbit R1, your pocket AI companion. Unveiling the Rabbit R1, a symphony of features. Large action model, sleek design, aesthetically pleasing and eye-caw rotating camera. Adding affordable wonder, priced at a P***. Pros that shine bright, the large, a sleek and the rotating camera affordability that doesn't compromise at $199. Not your everyday smartphone. The Rabbit R1 isn't here to replace your smartphone, it's here to redefine the game. Imagine a pocket-sized AI assistant armed with the mind-bending capabilities of the large action model, LM. It's not just about understanding complex requests, it's about taking decisive action. First impressions. After immersing myself in the Rabbit R1 experience at CES 2024, here are my initial impressions. If the company sticks the landing, this device could be a true game changer. The Rabbit R1 aims to be a personal assistant like never before, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Availability and release. Pre-orders are open now, with the official release slated for Easter. Jesse Liu, the founder and CEO, confirmed that the first wave of devices will reach consumers by March 31st. Design, elegance, and intuitive controls. The Rabbit R1 boasts a friendly square design reminiscent of devices like the Playdate. Featuring an LCD display, a rotating camera, and physical controls giving it a walkie-talkie feel, this gadget seamlessly blends fun with utility. While some compromises exist, like the fingerprint magnet plastic, the overall design makes it incredibly approachable. The camera is also used in Rabbit's actionable AI responses. Point it at a fridge and ask for a healthy recipe, and the R1 is able to respond with a recommendation. Most impressive for workers looking to streamline their processes, such as yours truly, is the option to show it a document, like a spreadsheet in the demo, and ask it to add data, customize it. I was floored by the sight of this, and you receive the edited document in your email, which you can respond to with more requests that Rabbit's AI will get to work on. All of this is made possible by connecting your various services to a Rabbit account, and the company promises all data remains private to you and anonymized to the business. Final verdict. At $199, the Rabbit R1's compromises fade into the background when you witness its jaw-dropping AI assistance. It's not just a smart assistant, it's a friendly companion, making your interactions more delightful and approachable. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay tuned for more.